Hello and welcome to this week's video. Hope you are doing well. Thank you for being here. We are talking about essential items to keep in a dry bag on the boat with you. This is the bag. I've had this question, what is in this bag? So I thought, well, it's time to tell you. So we'll go Lucky Dip style. First of all, we have a wallet. You always need money, a bit of cash or a card. Always keep a bit of money for anything that you may need. Anything essential. Number two, always keep your phone in this dry bag. One, when phone companies say that phones are waterproof, they're not. They can't use them when they're wet. So keep them dry if they're not in your pocket. Item number three. Always keep a compass with you, because one, you may need a bearing to get to somewhere. Somebody may be looking for you, so you give them a bearing to a point. Anything like that, you may be using your charts, whatever. Always keep a compass handy. A knife, very important, just in case you need to cut some rope off your prop or whatever you catch on. A knife is very important. It might get you out of trouble. We use knives with a blunt end because we use ribs and we don't want to burst the rib. The most important thing is that the knife is serrated. Cuts rope quicker, cuts through anything quicker. So yeah, knife. This one's a Gill, by the way. I've had it years. Great knife. And last but not least, I'll keep a radio in here. For any eventuality, you might be in trouble, you might just need to call somebody, but at least when you get it in the bag, you know exactly where it is and you can grab it. If I haven't got the radio on me, it is always in this bag. So always have a bag with essential stuff in to get hold of anybody, just in case you're in trouble, or just in case, well, you need an ice cream and you need some money. But that is it for this week's video. Thank you very much for watching. Nice, short and sweet for you. Hopefully we will see you soon with a bit more boating action. One thing this week, if you follow the boat build, the console has arrived. I've put a picture up already. I'll put some more up on social media at Challenge Britain. But yeah, thank you very much for now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Before I go, just to let you know, we do carry two dry bags. The other dry bag just carries coats and waterproofs in, because, like I said before, the weather always changes. So be prepared. Bye.